Many at times we all are faced with challenges that seem impossible and impractical to solve. You may feel so defeated that you're ready to give up. But remember, you're not alone in these feelings. What do you do when you have financial troubles? What do you do to solve marriage or family problems? What do you do when you lose your job? What do you do when you are stressed or under depression? What do you do when you have relationship problems or a breakup? The list of our problems is endless, but relax. Welcome to What to Do channel. We share incredible tips and tricks from highly qualified experts to improve our everyday life. In short, we educate and inspire. If you are interested in improving your everyday life, be sure to subscribe and let's walk this journey together to address the challenges that knocks us down in life. Thank you.